Hello, welcome to this tutorial. It's not really a tutorial, this one. This is more a common question we get asked that I am going to try and help answer. So we've had a pretty good summer, I think, in terms of weather, depending on who you are or what you look for in weather, obviously. But it's been pretty hot over the last few weeks. When it's pretty hot and we're sending out dough products, they can and are likely to, depending on the amount of dough balls you're ordering, defrost or partially defrost, and they might fully defrost in transit to you. We get people contacting us asking us whether that's safe. The short answer simply is yes, and I want to explain very quickly why that is okay. Firstly, the temperature will still be pretty low inside the insulated boxes that we ship everything out at, so the yeast won't be active. Secondly, there is nothing other than 3 simple ingredients beyond the yeast that we include in our products. So there's nothing that is likely to cause any side impact to heat or being exposed to heat until they're cooked. Firstly, that's flour. Secondly, it's water. And third, it's salt. Then we have, depending on whether you have sourdough or a yeast-based product, the yeast or the natural sourdough yeast. And that is it. There's nothing else in it. So they are okay to use. You might just have to handle them a little bit differently. So what we recommend with that is pop them in the freezer for about 45 minutes so it gets a little bit of that tightness, firms them up a bit. Take them out at that point. They might be a bit sticky at this point. We've got another video on how to handle that, which you should watch. Take them out, roll them back into a ball. They don't need to proof, they don't need to do anything like that. We have done all the donkey work for you at our factory during the 48 hours before we ship them out to you. So everything is ready for you just to then either let them rest for a few hours until you want to cook them, or put them in the freezer and freeze them to use them on another day. I've done it hundreds of times and I'm still here. And I don't get any issues with my stomach causing problems with digestion or anything like that from it. It is just okay to do that. Just follow those simple steps that you have, and when you finally come to use it, take it out of the freezer, follow the steps that we have. Just when you get it, just roll it back into a little ball after you've let it chill for 45 minutes, and away you go. Have great pizza. Thanks for watching.